Open iMovie and go to File, New Project. I'm going to name mine How-To Video, but you will name yours whatever cluster video this would be. Then you're going to go File, New Event. Now the new event is where you're going to house and store all of your imported video clips. Okay, and you want to correlate the name. So I'm going to name mine How-To Video. Then you're going to go File, Import Movies. You're going to select the movie that you wish to import into iMovie, and you'll start the importing process. This takes a couple of minutes depending on how long your video clip is. I went ahead and sped this up just a little bit so that we could go ahead and go on through this because it does take a few minutes for this to download. Once your video has been imported, it'll show up in the event at the bottom of your screen. This is where your actual editing will come into place. What you'll need to do is to select a section of the video that you would like to import into your project. You drag that across, make it as long as you want, and then you'll drag it up to the top where it's got the project started. You can go through this process several times, picking out the exact section of the clip that you would like to import into your project. If you go back and you watch your video clip and it's not what you want, all you have to do is highlight that text or highlight that video clip and hit the delete button, and you can start all over again. Our next step is to add a photograph. So you'll go to the top icon where the picture of the camera is, and it will open up your iPhoto. Now make sure that you have imported pictures into iPhoto before you begin this process. Click on the picture and drag it up where you would like it. Then you have the option of cropping your picture. I'm just going to fit it to the screen. Next, you can grab another picture. This time you can insert a picture in a picture, which can give you the little process of being able to still see the background of the screen, but then you can still see a still shot of what the group is looking at. Just as before with the still picture, you will click on that section, and then you will be able to crop that picture to the way that you want. You can do the Ken Burns method, which will allow you to scroll down the complete picture, or you can crop it or just fit it to the window. This technique that I'm using right now is the Ken Burns method. After you have got your section just the way you want it, you will hit the Done button, and then you can go back and play by hitting the space bar on the section of the clip you want to watch, and it will go through the method and kind of show you what it would look like. The last process that I'm going to show you is a cutaway. And what you would go down and you would choose your photograph that you would like to cut away. Go up and hover over that section of your video clip. The screen will come on and you'll click on Cutaway. Now that just means that it will go to a blank screen and just show your complete picture. Again, you'll have to go click on that section of the photograph and do your editing or cropping for that section. Then you can hit the space bar and go back and play that section to see if it's how you want it to look. Next, you will want to make sure that your audio is loud enough for your audience to hear. So you're going to click on a section of video, go to the audio, and slide over the audio button to make sure that your input volume is at 200%. You'll use your toolbar to go up to the hourglass where you can find the transition that you would like to use to kind of merge two clips together for a smoother transition. All you have to do is find the transition, click on it, drag it up, and insert it where you would like for it to go. After you've completed the video and you've got it to the way you would like for it to look, you're going to share that video. So what you'll do is go up to the top of your toolbar, in the iMovie toolbar, hit Share, Export Movie, and you'll want to keep it about a mobile size, and then you will hit Export. This takes a few minutes to export your movie into the format where you can watch it with QuickTime or with iTunes. I hope this video tutorial has been helpful to you, and I hope that you'll be able to take your field testing video, insert it into a movie clip, and use it in your clusters real soon.